pinalangga na nanay sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Vice Governor Titigarin, sa aking iba sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Board Member Rolly Istura, Board Member June Mondihar, Board Member Juan Terminanda, Board Member Jason Gonzalez. Kaya sa atin guest nila, no? Our Provincial Director from the DILG, Sir Noy Orbista. Come from the Regional Office, Mama Res Ardua. To our mayors present, unagin niya si Mayor Millard Villanueva Concepcion, Mayor Nini of Tipawan, si Ma'am Jennifer of Gimbal. May mga mayors pa dyan talaga. Yaman ang ating mga vice mayors present, fellow councilors, ating mga validators. Ito lang. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Medyo kapoy pa na kaya. Kaya di alauna, alam mo ikatapos, sir, tanamon nga ng technical session. Yes, so okay, we have just concluded our PCL Visayas Island Congress. Kaya dito medyo kapoy kita, kaya kita ang Congress Director. So, muna, na-witness din ni Vice ka na experience niya kay pagpumala ang Port Elvia. The search for the outstanding Sangguniang in the province of Iloilo reaches its climax. Today, as we honor the 14 LGUs that took the challenge to undergo evaluation under validation of the respective legislative performance and the best practices for the previous year 2023. More than the recognition and honor, the search embodied through Provincial Ordinance 2022-288 aims to highlight the significant role of the Sangguniang towards good performance while providing rules for improvement and innovation to achieving its vision and mission as an independent branch of our government. On behalf of the Provincial Local Awards Committee, headed by the principal author of this ordinance, our very own Vice Governor, Christine Titigarin, I extended my gratitude to the members of the validating team who took time and effort to determine the cream of the crop. Congratulations to the 14 finalists and the winners of the 2 categories. May your achievement inspire other LGUs to tread the road to excellence. Good day and congratulations to all.